Welcome to Aznish, where we empower aspiring professionals like you to succeed in the competitive world of technology and marketing. Today, we'll cover crucial tips for starting your career in web development and digital marketing, two of the most in-demand fields. If you're ready to level up your career, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more valuable content. Technical skills: learn programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, and frameworks like React or Django. Familiarity with databases such as SQL is a bonus. Portfolio: build a strong portfolio showcasing your projects, including websites, applications, or software you've developed. Certifications: invest in courses from platforms like Coursera or Udemy to validate your expertise. 2. Experience. Contribute to open source projects on GitHub. Freelance to gain real-world experience. Internship or volunteer work can open doors. 3. Advanced specializations. Explore subfields like MERN stack development, UI/UX design, or mobile app development. Stay updated on trends like AI integration and cybersecurity. Remember, Aznish also offers recruitment services to help talented developers like you connect with top employers globally. Launching a career in digital marketing. 1. Core skills. Content creation: learn SEO strategies, copywriting, and content marketing. Ad tech mastery: understand platforms like Facebook Ads Manager and Google Ads. Analytics: get proficient with Google Analytics, Tableau, or Mixpanel for campaign insights. 2. Subfields to explore. Social media management. PPC advertising. Influencer marketing. Marketing automation. Email marketing. 3. Portfolio and certifications. Showcase past campaigns, follower growth, or engagement rates. Pursue certifications like Google Analytics or HubSpot Marketing to stand out. 4. Networking. Connect with industry professionals via LinkedIn. Join online communities and attend events to build relationships. Aznish's role. At Aznish, we're here to guide you toward career success. We connect skilled digital marketers with the right opportunities worldwide. Whether you're coding the next big app or managing cutting-edge ad campaigns, the opportunities are endless. Start your journey today, and let Aznish be your partner in success. Share it with a friend, and subscribe for more tips and insights. Together, let's build your future.